Aristo Top Rail Positioner Installation. The purpose of the top rail positioner is to stop the sliding doors in the favored position. First option. Insert the positioner into the top rail before its installation from the end of the profile. This is possible thanks to the stiffeners inside the rail. Second option. Insert the positioner into the installed top rail and rotate it by 90 degrees to fix it. Check whether the door closes tightly and adjust the location of the positioner. The positioner can be used for both the outer and the inner doors. Fix the positioner with an Allen key.